Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your cricket wireless payment date is coming up and you are trying to figure out the easiest way to pay the bill, you are definitely not the only one. Sometimes people want a quick payment option without searching through too many menus, while others are unsure whether they should use the app, website, or account login. Since mobile account settings can sometimes feel confusing at first, knowing where to go can make the process much smoother. The best part is that paying a cricket wireless bill usually only takes a few moments once you know the right steps. Let's walk through an easy way to get everything paid and keep service running normally. Try these. Step 1. Open the official app or website connected to the cricket wireless account and sign in normally. Step 2. Go to the billing or payment area linked with the cricket wireless account to view the amount due. Step 3. Select a payment option inside the Cricket Wireless account and enter payment details carefully. Step 4. Review the payment information connected to the Cricket Wireless account before continuing. Step 5. Submit the payment through the Cricket Wireless account and wait for confirmation to appear. Step 6. Check the Cricket Wireless account again and confirm the bill status update successfully.